If you want to export data from your interface, you can do that by adding a button to your interface and giving it the command to export data. Once you do that, it prompts you whether or not you want to export comparative data, the current time, and what the interval is, and what variables you want to export. In this case, I want to export the placeholder that we're using in the graph above. If I test this out now, you can see that I can hit the export button, give the file a name, confirm. It then loads up the download dialog with that name, save it, and if I come open that file in Excel, we can see that we get the particular variable chosen in the placeholder over time. If I edit the export button and change this to be export comparative data and run the model again, you'll see that when I hit the export button and download the data, that the resulting data is now comparative and shows me the results from both runs.